Good morning, everybody. It's been a couple of days since I found out that I'm pregnant. And today I have a chiropractor appointment, so I get to tell my doctor. It's like besides Dwaine, it's like one of the first people that I've told. Um, I'm just going to take you guys with me just to see what it's like, I guess, see if he makes any adjustments to how he already does my appointment, if that makes sense. See if he has to change anything now that I'm pregnant. I guess I always wondered like how it would go or how he would do it. I don't know, but you guys can come find out with me. Well, I had some questions.
Yeah.
What do I do if I'm pregnant?
Exciting. Awesome. Congrats. Are you?
Thanks. Yeah, I just found out actually.
Thanks.
I was gonna wait a little bit, but I was like, well, you're one of my doctors,
Yeah.
and I feel
Yes.
like you need to know that.
Yes. And number one is this Webster certification right here. This is the Chiropractic Pediatric Association. All right. So I'm Webster Technique certified. What does that mean? That means I specialize in pediatrics and pregnancies. Okay. So I have a lot of pregnancy women that come in. I do what that entails is we really deal with the ligaments and muscles surrounding the pelvis. All right, not only do we adjust the pelvis to open the pelvis up to give that baby plenty of room to move around in, but we get the lumbar and the sacral plexus get great nerve supply into the uterus, all right, where your baby is developing, okay? So number one, we open the pelvis to give that baby plenty of room to move around, okay? So, and then number two, it gets that good nerve supply into that uterus so that neurodevelopmentally it's getting all the power into that area. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So that definitely helps with that, and just getting the pelvis balance up in itself is great. There's a study done that if you're under regular chiropractic care, there's like I think 40 per. I can't remember the exact number, but it's around 40% less likely chance of getting a C-section.
Nice.
If you're under regular chiropractic care, it keeps that pelvis balance up and it leads to a much smoother delivery. Okay.
Okay.
There is some literature that I can recommend definitely along the way as well.
Please.
And then if you're not on a prenatal,
I am.
Okay. All right. If you are, then if not, I have some good recommendations as far as that goes as well. Some good brands. Okay.
Okay.
That's exciting.
I know. I'm terrified, but I'm excited.
So were you guys trying, not trying, or?
I mean, I got off birth control in April this year, and it was more of a if it happens, it happens type of a situation,
awesome.
and it happened.
So what Dwaine said?
Well, first of all, he's been keeping track of my cycles too.
Yeah.
So he knew something was weird, like I was late, and he's like, what's wrong with you? So he kind of suspected it, I guess. But he's definitely excited.
I bet.
Like
Awesome.
his excitement is just gonna
Good.
go further and further.
So exciting. I'm so happy for you guys. And again, I'm just going to do everything I can to facilitate along the way and keep you balanced up. And because we should be in our parasympathetic state when we deliver, okay? A lot of people go into the hospital and we're in that stressed mode, anxious, and we're just all uptight, and we can't let go, okay? And that leads to Pitocin and trying to get the baby, to drop down. And
I don't
then
want no Pitocin.
And then it leads to an epidural, and then that puts the baby in distress, and then that leads to a C-section. We don't want to go down that path, okay? All right? And yes, if there's a situation where it needs to be, yeah, okay, but we want to do everything we can to keep your body in that balance, autonomic state, and that parasympathetics to lead you to a smooth, healthy delivery, okay?
Yes.
All right? Very good. Well, let's get you balanced up. Hold this arm up for me. Now resist, hold. Good, resist there and hold. Just hold that arm up. Good, same thing here. Resist here, hold. And resist there, hold. A little bit there. You notice how it went weak when I touched behind that?
Yeah.
Very short. Come on up, face down for me in your stomach. There. So as we approach about the second trimester, that's when we'll start doing a lot of ligaments work, muscle work, and really just emphasizing keeping that pelvis balanced up, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But for now, let's get you adjusted and balanced up here. And take a deep breath in for me. And hold that breath in. Good, and breathe. Pick the most tender point between 1, 2, or 3.
2.
2 right there. Slow, deep breaths in and out for me. Big, exaggerated breathing. It's your parasympathetic chain runs from your occiput to your sacrum. Just release that. Good. Right there. Okay, lay on your left side, facing me this way. And this leg up for me. Good, just a bit on that elbow part right there. On your back. Perfect. Yep. The sigh of relief. Good, listen up here, good. Drop the sigh up and on your back. Good. So about how many weeks do you think you are? A week or 2? Or?
I am exactly 4 weeks today.
Awesome.
I go to the doctor next week for the confirmation, and then the first ultrasound on January 9th.
Okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cross those arms in front. Right there. Lean forward. And back right there. Drop the shoulders back. There. Nice deep breath in and out. Right there it is. You feel that? Good. Chin up just a bit there. Right there. Good. Traction open. Good. Deep breath in and out. Great. Balance. Great release there. Hold this arm up on me and resist. Same here. Hold and resist. Again. Hold, resist. Good. How much stronger that was?
Yeah.
Good. All balanced up?
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Very good tune up. And
yes, I feel so much better.
that is very exciting news. Congratulations
Thank
to you guys
you.
again. And I'll, like I explained, just do everything I can to keep me balanced up. And yeah, it's just so important that we keep that.
Yeah.
And again, that certificate, means a lot, keeping that pelvis balanced up. So, okay.
I'm really excited because I think I mentioned before that I was nervous about, like a lot of pregnant women get sciatica and I already have it, so it's even more motivation for me to stay consistent now.
Yeah, absolutely, definitely. No, that's great. So, do you guys think you'll find out the gender?
Oh yeah.
Oh really?
We don't want to be.
No surprise. No.
I mean, we'll end up having like a reveal with our immediate family and everything, but the plan is for a boy.
Oh really?
That's what Dwaine wants. My mom is saying I'm gonna have all girls my whole life, but the plan is to have a boy.
All right, we'll see you soon, dear.
Okay.
All right, you guys, so that was an amazing adjustment. I've officially had my first pregnant chiropractic adjustment. I do have like a lot of relief off of that sciatic nerve now. Dr. Dillon is absolutely amazing and I highly recommend him. But I did kind of wake up a little nauseous today. So I think I'm just gonna call it and get right back in my bed. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Morning, you guys. So every single day, literally every day since I found out that I was pregnant, I have been sick all day, every day. It has been god awful. Like, I wouldn't wish this on anybody. Like 10 days straight, y'all, for real. I have been in the bed, having to lie to my family about what is wrong because we haven't told them yet. But I'm sorry if I look rough. I've been feeling rough. Like I haven't even been able to do anything because I have been sick all day. Like, whoever said that it was morning sickness, like, bye. No, it's all day sickness, first of all. But I have my first doctor's appointment today, and I figure I would just do a little check-in since I do genuinely feel a lot better today. But yeah, this has not been a fun week and a half at all. Like, I was crying to Dwaine, like, this is not what it's supposed to be like it was supposed to be fun. Absolutely not. Like, I got a nice rude awakening that this is hard. Hard work making a human. I'm really sensitive to smells right now too, so yeah. Let's see how the rest of this day goes with the appointment and everything. Good morning, you guys. So I am nearing the end of my first trimester, which, as I have kind of told you guys already, was completely horrible. Like, I'm super blessed and grateful for my baby, but yeah, these 12 weeks have been, wow, crazy, ghetto, not fun. But I woke up this morning and I was able to brush my teeth without getting sick, so that's already a plus right there. Like, I'll take any win I can get today. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update because I'm at the end of the first trimester and I just feel really good today, and I'm praying to God that it lasts because yeah, those 12 weeks were hard. See you later.